there are three nagging points. First, Police Director Napeñas, you kept on referring to a window, January 23 to 26 window, sabi mo. You to execute the project, ano? Bakit to may window? Bakit hindi 27 to 30? Bakit 23 to 26?
Marami pong consideration dun sa window na yun, sir. First is yung illumination, yung buwan, kasama po yun. Then yung situation on the ground, because there are sometimes that there are movement of MILF or armed groups along the route na dadaanan. Minsan,
Yung 23 to 26, wala. Supposed to be.
Hindi, yung 23 nga po, sir, doon nga sana yung insertion, pero mayroong activity ng MILF during that night, kaya hindi natuloy. That's why nagkaroon ng window na yan, sir. Kung clear yan, pwede, sir, i-go anytime of those dates.
Siguro, sir, wag na natin i-detalye nga kung bakit kung window, kung meron tayong mga techniques na inaayos dyan. I know you're very forthcoming.
Let me move on to something else na nabanggit na si kanina. No? I understand the point of the chair. Narinig ko ito pangalawang beses na naubusan ng bala. Totoo ba naubusan sila ng bala?
Yes, sir. Based on the accounts of the survivor, PO2 Christopher Lalan.
Bakit naubusan ng bala? Gano'ng karaming bala dala ng isa?
The basic load ng ating kapulisan po, sir, is 360 rounds. But in this operation, I know for a fact that they carry as much as they can. Nakakargahin, na kaya nila kasi hindi rin pwede na sobra-sobra yung karga, hindi na rin makalakad ng maayos, Your Honor.
I asked that question because I know the chairman of the Committee on Finance is listening. Ano?
Yes, sir.
Importante yun. Ngayon, yung original time ninyo, isa na lang, ito na lang. Yung original time ninyo was 2:30 ang target time, hindi ba?
Yes, sir. Yun yung 2:30 doon sa drop-off point, Your Honor.
Correct. The drop-off point.
Yung
Jump-off point, bale.
Drop-off point, Your
Drop-off
Honor.
point,
Pero
tawag
yun
yun.
po yung 2:30, yung main body. Yung nauuna, yung assault force, ang kanilang dating doon, Your Honor, is 23:30.
Yun ang target ninyong time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And then, kasi 4 o'clock may sala, no? Now, hindi kayo dumating on time. Hindi sila dumating on time, ano?
Yes, Your Honor. Yung
Alas
assault
4.
force, alas 4:15
dumating
na
doon sa point.
dating. Yung
Bakit tinuloy pa rin nung delayed kayo ng 2 hours and a half?
3 o'clock, before 3 o'clock, Your Honor, nandoon na sila sa kabilang river, which is only approximately less than 500 meters already, about 300 meters. Nung tumawid sila, natagalan, nakatawid sila mga mag-4, before
Kasi
4.
I understand that perfect kung 2:30
Yes.
talaga, no?
It's a
Ngayon, at kung nakatabid sila lahat, nabanggit mo yung nakatawid, baka mabuting malaman ng informasyon namin dito, kumpleto kung tama yung nakarating sa akin. 4 na po silang tumatawid 40.
38,
Pero
the exact number, Your
38,
Honor.
pero 13 lang ang nakatawid.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi ba? Ganun ang nangyari. Tama ba yung report
Yes,
mo?
Your Honor.
So 13 lang ang nakatawid.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit?
Dahil malapad yung ilog at malakas yung agos, according to the assault force commander. And we have what we call yung parabang point na hindi na niya kayang i-abort, Your Honor, kasi it's so close already to the target. Aborting it, ganun din, magiging
Correct.
dangerous na rin siya pagbalik, ganun pa rin yung pagkuha na yung target.
Okay,
Your
my
Honor.
point is, we salute these gallant men. Delayed na yung oras, hirap na hirap yung pagtawid, 13 lang ang nakatawid, pero itinuloy yung mission. And the mission was accomplished.
Yes, Your Honor, because the assault force commander is considering the time. He's running out of time. That's why even with only 13, he went on to go for the primary target, which is Marwan, Your Honor.
All right. With that, Madam Chair, we'll reserve some other time. Thank you.